Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make alliance donations in Last the Survival Shooter. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You can do this, of course, inside your alliance. So we're going to go ahead inside our alliance, and if you don't have an alliance, then obviously you're going to go ahead and join one. To make these donations, you can go ahead to the alliance text specifically. It depends on you which tech you want to go ahead and choose and which are available. So let's go ahead and help our alliance, maybe here in our robust structure. You can only attempt to donate with Zent in the right one, and you can only attempt to donate 20 times a day using Zent. But in the left section, you can donate as much as you want, but it will cost you down. So if you donate here and go to the other one, it will show that you've already donated 20 times. So it will still be the same for whichever tech you want to upgrade. So if you want to do it unlimitedly, you can do the left one, but it does increase each time, and it will reset eventually. But anyways, that's about it. So that's basically how you can make alliance donations in Last Z Survival Shooter. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.